Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see few of the steps we can take to increase our Instagram followers naturally without any paid promotion. So through sponsoring our post we can get followers, but there are already few free ways we can get or gain customer followers in Instagram. So there is a post like here there are given on the internet like 25 ways to increase Instagram followers. You can read them, and few attracted me are like you can use trending tags. So when I read about this on the internet, if you, for example, if you are posting a photo of yourself, if you keep some trending tags, your photo will be arranged in that hashtag category so that the visibility is more for your photo or the image or the post or the video, so that you'll get a lot of visitors to view your photos and images, thus your profile, so that you may gain followers if your post is really interesting. So how to know the trending hashtags? You can check the description. I already posted how you can check the trending tags hashtags on Instagram. You can go through that. Use industry specific hashtags. You can get that from the below also. So post amazing content. So the main thing which attracts the other users on the Instagram is how attractive are your posts or how engaging your posts. So make sure you have attractive content like nature photos or beautiful locations or something like that. When you try to follow the famous person, you Instagram will work something like your account will be shown to the mutual followers of that popular persons. For example, if you follow someone who has 10 million followers already, if you follow them, your profile will be shown to various other people so that your visibility gets increased. And one more thing you can do is, if you have social media networks like YouTube, Facebook and other popular networks, Twitter, you can give this Instagram profile URL link there, so that the visitors from there can come to your Instagram profile and they may be chance to follow you. If you don't know how to copy your Instagram URL, you can check the description. So you avoid irrelevant hashtags, and these are all useful. Ask for the reviews from the customer. If you have products or if you have a YouTube tech channel or anything like that, you can make an intro about your Instagram page, something like that. Host giveaways to attract visitors. This is now also really working. Collaboration can be beneficial. Okay, you can read it. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.